It's rainy and a little drizzly, but I decide that I'm gonna hike without a jacket anyway and just walk up the road. The fog's pretty thick. Sometimes it lightens up, but other times you really can't see very far in front of you. And then there's the cowbells. Or the horse bells. Or the sheep bells. Things just kind of emerge in and out of the fog.
This is where the Camino leaves the D428 and heads up that ridge line, eventually to parallel the border with Spain. Good thing you did all that training in the mountains of Colorado.
Like Hemingway at the end of Death in the Afternoon, I could speculate on how, if I were a better writer, if this were a better video, I could better communicate the essence of what's going on. But the one thing I do know that this video needs is more cowbell.